Hi, boys and girls. We're going to have some fun today with numbers, and we're going to use our base 10 blocks. So let me show you this problem. Okay, here we go. Know what that number is? 31. What's that symbol? Plus, that means we're going to add 5. So what is 31 plus 5? What would that be? So what are some strategies that we can do? Well, how about we build both numbers? 10, 20, 30, 31. Yes, we just built 31. Could we have used 31 of the ones? Yes, we could have. Now, we can't use a 10 for the 5, so we have to use the ones. That would be too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's think about that. So, how are we going to add these together? Do you have an idea? Okay, so let's think about which ones are 10s and which ones are 1s. We're going to use an organizer. Okay, so we have this organizer here, and it says 10s and then 1s. What do you notice in the 1s? That's right, we have a 10 frame, and that lets us see pretty quickly how much that we have. So let's build 31 again. Right, you ready? 10, 20, 30. Oh, and then we have 1, but would our 1s go in our 10s? No, we're going to put it over here in our 1s. So everybody agree we have 31? Okay, so now we have to build 5 because we want to know how many are all together. All right, you ready? So would our 1s, our 5 1s go in 10s or 1s? That is correct. It's going to go in our 1s. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm noticing that I have some 10s here and some 1s. So how many 10s do I have? I have 3 10s, don't I? So how much does that equal? 10, 20, 30. So 30. And how many 1s? Well, you know what? When I look at a 10 frame, I can see it, don't I? I'm seeing 5 filled in here and 1 more. So how much is that? That's right. It is 6 1s. So 31 plus 5 is, that's right, 36. Now, how did you get the 6? Because I had 1 from 31, and then I had my 5 1s. So I had 6 1s. So I had, oh, let me get that a little bit better. Okay, so I had 3 10s and how many 1s? 6 1s made 36. Okay, let's do another one using our chart. Okay, you ready for your next problem, boys and girls? What number is that? 42 plus 6. Okay, so what do we need to do first? Let's build the number. We've been building numbers, haven't we, boys and girls? So we've had lots of practice with that. Okay, so let's build the first number, 42. Okay, you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to switch over to ones. 41, 42. So in 42, I have 4 10s and 2 1s. I could have counted out 42 ones, couldn't I? But this made it a lot faster if I grouped that in tens, didn't it? It was a lot easier to count. So I have 42 represented. And now I need to add in 6. Am I going to have 6 10s or 6 1s? I'm going to have 6 1s because 6 10s would be 60. And that's not the number 60, is it? It's the number 6. Okay, you ready? Let's move 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more makes 6. So here are my 6, right? And here are my 2. Okay, from the 42. So how many do I have in all? So I know I have 10, 20, 30, 40 because I have 4 10s. And how many ones? I can look at this 10 frame and tell right away how many I have because I have 2 missing. If I had all of them, I would have 10, but no, I have 8. So I have 5 here and 3 more make 8. So I have a total of 48. Great job. Another thing I could do is think of 42 and add 6 more. So let's do that. If I have 42 and I have 6 more, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So I counted on from 42 and I still got 48. So both of those strategies worked. Great job today, boys and girls, helping me build numbers, and we sorted them in 10s and 1s to add a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number.